In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and restore forms in Microsoft Forms. Let's start on the Microsoft Forms homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your work or school account so you can see your content. Once you're in, look for the My Forms section. Depending on your layout, you might also see all forms. Either view works, it's where your existing forms and quizzes are listed as tiles. Find the form you want to remove, hover your mouse over that form's tile to reveal the More Options menu, which appears as three dots in the corner. Click those three dots, then choose Delete. You'll see a confirmation box pop up. This safety prompt prevents accidental removals. Click Continue or Delete to confirm. The form isn't gone forever yet. It's moved to the recycle bin, which gives you a chance to change your mind. To access that recycle bin, head back to your form's homepage and look to the bottom right. Click Recycle Bin to open it. Here you'll see forms you've deleted recently, each still available for recovery for a limited time. If your goal is to clear things out completely, open the three-dot menu on the form inside the recycle bin and choose Delete. This action permanently removes the form and can't be undone, so be certain before you proceed. If you deleted something by mistake, good news, you can bring it back, including all the responses that were submitted. Inside the recycle bin, locate the form you want to recover, hover over its tile, click the three dots to open More Options, and select Restore. Microsoft Forms immediately returns the form to your main list. To verify, navigate back to All Forms or My Forms and look for it there. You should see the form reappear right away, intact and ready to use again. Any responses that were collected before deletion, come back with it so you won't lose your data. To recap the flow you'll use most often, delete from the form tile's three-dot menu, confirm the deletion to move it to the recycle bin, and then either permanently delete it from the recycle bin or restore it if you change your mind. A quick tip before you finish: if a form is still actively collecting responses, consider pausing or closing it first to prevent new submissions while you're deciding whether to delete or archive it. And remember to occasionally review your recycle bin so you can restore anything you still need or permanently remove the items you're finished with.